to black, green smoke to black, green turn to black, yeah, that's what we stand for, green turn to black.
A lot of creationists ask me, why do we need to know science? What's so important about science anyway? Why live a life where we're so confused when we could live a life that's easy with a very simple answer?
Hello everyone. We need science in our lives for a reason. Science matters a lot, and I'll demonstrate why. Here, I set up a very simple experiment. Here, hanging off this headphone set, is a mouse. Just a regular computer mouse. Okay? So, now imagine that this mouse is a 20-pound rock. Okay? Now, I would take this 20-pound rock, put it up to my forehead, as you can see, and then I would release it. And it would swing back, and you would think it would hit me. But it wouldn't. Now, if I told someone to do this experiment without telling them what hit them, they'd probably be afraid. You know, it's a 20-pound rock coming straight at your face. You wouldn't be very happy. Imagine this is a 20-pound rock, even though it's less than 1 pound mouse. Check this out. It comes up just a bit short of the place where it swung last. It did not hit me. This is why we need science in our lives. That way, anyone could perform the same experiment and come up with the same results. And they would not be afraid to do this experiment over and over and over again because they know that it would work.
We need science for other reasons too.
Imagine this pillow is you, and this drop from my bed to the floor is, let's say, my bed would be the Eiffel Tower, and that would be the ground below. If I didn't know science, I probably wouldn't think I'd fall. But we know, by knowing this, that gravity would take me down. Now, if you didn't notice it, it did speed up as it was falling. That's another reason why we need to know science, to see how fast it would hit something depending on how high it was. And probably the best reason and most interesting reason about knowing science is that we can look out at the stars every single night and know that the light that came from those stars didn't just come out of that star. See, since a star can be 1,000, 1,000,000, even 1,000,000,000 light years away, it takes that light 1,000, 1,000,000, or 1,000,000,000 years to get here. You know what I'm saying? That means every time you look at a star, you're looking into the past. Actually, anytime you look at anything, you look into the past. It takes time to get light from my lamp to me. It takes time. It's a very short time, so it seems like the present, but it's still a very short time. Now, why is it useful to know that how long it takes for light to get from the stars to me? Why is that so important? We can tell the age of the universe like that. If we find something that's 1,000 light years away, we know that the universe has to be at least 1,000 years old, because the light took 1,000 years to get here.